I'm excited to announce to you FlyPost version 2. And in this version, it's going to blow your mind. What we've done is so amazing. We actually now have the ability to bring in your persona to emulate your writing style right inside of our thought leadership posts. And you have the ability to be able to grab a blog URL, let us read the blog for you, and write a social media post. Or grab a YouTube link, drop it into FlyPost, and we'll watch the video for you and then write a social media post. But wait, there's more. What you now have the ability to do is be able to set default types of personalities. And you have the ability to include emojis or include hashtags or not include either. This is game changing. Let me show you now what you can do.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here.
Okay, to make FlyPost come alive, you come here to start your post. Once here, you'll see FlyPost inject right here. If you simply click on any one of these buttons, you can go ahead and begin filling out the information. Now, if you want to change the goal of this particular post and be a company news post, you could do that. You can celebrate something. You can talk about that you're hiring as an example. We're going to focus on thought leadership. Inside of here, you can take your persona and we can begin writing like you in your style and in your voice. Now, simply add a persona if you want a different type of personality, and it'll take you directly here to this page. In addition, what you want to do is add in a topic, how to be an amazing cook and balance work-life. Now you'll notice here that my tone is grayed out. Why? Well, that's because by default, a persona has a tone. So if you want to change this to a generic writing style and change your tone, you can certainly do that by removing your persona. With that in mind, you can choose the length of post, short, medium, or long, and specifically, you can exclude hashtags and emojis by simply unclicking those two dials there. Also, if you actually want to utilize a blog URL, very easy, you delete the topic. And I'm just going to come here and grab the URL from one of our company blogs. I want to write a post about LinkedIn Recruiter. Fabulous. So I come inside of here, I drop in the URL, and now topic has been grayed out and the YouTube URL has been grayed out. You could only do one URL at a time. Or you can come here to YouTube, copy the video from your company YouTube page, and then come inside of here and drop that YouTube URL in and simply click generate. What I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to drop in a blog URL and I'm going to say write a long post about this particular URL and click generate. Now notice I did it in English. We begin writing and very specifically, it is going to drop and cut and paste the whole content inside there. Now, how do I make it type? If I want to make it type, all I have to do is simply come here to my extension settings underneath my settings here, and I can say write like ChatGPT style and click save, and then it'll begin typing automatically. And voila, we now have a post right inside of here that writes using our personality and our voice about this particular blog. There you go. And that's how you use FlyPost. Start writing today using FlyPosts.ai. Download it. It's free of charge.